Hello students, welcome back to Intro to Programming with Minecraft. Today we're going to be talking about one more Python command, some Python syntax, and again, if you were in the first part of this class, you'll remember that we were talking about relative positioning. We're going to start doing some relative positioning again today. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I have loaded World 2 here, Lesson 2. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to go talk to the CEO. You remember I talk to people by right-clicking, and he's going to ask me for some help. I'll let you guys read that later on. Now, here is the command that we are going to learn today. It's how to place blocks. So the command is blocks.place, and then in parentheses, the first argument that we'll use is the type of block. The second argument that we'll use is the position, the relative position of where we would like to place that block. So 0, 0, 0 is the coordinates of your player's feet. So if you place something at 0, 0, 0, that block will be placed at your feet. So let's go ahead and try that. I'm going to push C to open up the command window, code builder. So I can type in blocks.place, and you notice it's doing autocomplete for me, so I can see what commands I might have, and you see it automatically fills in grass and position. Now I can delete, too much. I can delete grass and start talking in something else, for example, obsidian. Nope, that didn't work. Let's try. I'm gonna delete this whole thing real quick, because I think autofill's a little bit confused. Blocks.place, and then here's the autocomplete list of all of the different things that I can put here. So if I want to say start with obsidian, and then I want to place it at position 0, 0, 0, that's going to place it at my feet. So I'm just going to push play to execute that. And you see that it placed some obsidian at my feet, and it kind of pushed me out of the way. Now, if I want to get rid of it, and I'm standing on top of it, I would want to place, not obsidian, but I want to place air. Not air. Okay, now this time though, I'm going to go ahead and run that so you can see what happens. Nothing. The reason for that is because now I'm standing on top of it, so my position has moved. So my relative position, I've got X, Y, and Z, and the Y in the middle right here, this is the vertical. So I'm going to go ahead and put -1 here. That means the space below me, and I want to make that air. There we go. Okay, oops, I destroyed the carpet there. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to talk to the programmer here, and they want me to put some blocks in place. So if I look over here, they want me to put grass here and then bricks here. So I'm going to go ahead and pause my recording while I do this, because you should figure that out. I don't want to spoil it for you. So hold on 1 second. Okay, so you can see that now I've placed those two bricks in their, the bricks and the grass in their correct places. So now I've cleared this activity, and I can go on to activity number 2. Okay, so I'm gonna get you guys started on this one, because I thought this one was a little bit tricky. This one, we need to place redstone lamps in their correct spot. So if I go right here on top of this gold piece, if I look up, I can see that there is a spot for a redstone lamp up there. Now looking on the side, they have put boards here that let us know how many blocks up it is. So I can see that this is 6 up. So I want it to be directly above me, 6 up there. So I'm going to push C. Oh, one other thing, the command that I want to type here is blocks.place. But one of the things you can do if you don't want to type that over and over again is they have created a block for you, place blocks at position, and if I put that here, it'll type it for you. And now I can say, okay, I don't want to place grass there, I want to place a redstone lamp. Now for the position, I've got my X and my Z, and that's going to be horizontally on the ground, but my Y is going to be vertical, and I know that I want this to be 6 above me. So I'm going to go ahead and just push play here. And then there it is. Now the one weird thing about this one is you are not allowed to leave this level until you turn on all the lights. So there's a switch over here. I'm just going to right click it, and you see that now the light is on. Alright, so now I have to go ahead and repeat that for these two. And make sure you turn on the lights. It will not let you progress to the next level until you turn on all 3 lights. And then from here, the rest of the levels I feel like are pretty intuitive. You'll have some challenges as you go on into these next rooms, but I think you can do it without any further instruction from me. So go ahead, give this a shot. Let me know if you need any assistance. Email me, and I'd be happy to help.